Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? And at the same time, learn new vocabulary and real life conversation skills? Then you are in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome to English Speaking Institute, where you learn English in English. Here learning is not just effective, it's fun, exciting and full of real world practice. In today's lesson, we have 4 amazing sections for you. Section 1, Listening Practice. Section 2, Vocabulary Practice. Section 3, Question and Answer Practice. And Section 4, Shadowing Practice. So stay with me till the end and let's make your English learning journey more natural, confident and enjoyable. Section 1, Listening Practice. Let's begin with Section 1, Listening Practice. In this part, you will listen to a short and simple conversation between two people. Your goal is to understand the main idea, catch new words and notice how they interact with each other. So listen carefully and try to imagine the scene as you hear it. Ready? Let's start the conversation. Hey Leo, what are you doing this weekend? Not much, just planning to relax, maybe read a bit. Oh nice, do you like reading? Yeah, I really do. It helps me relax and learn new things. What about you? I used to read a lot, but now I mostly listen to audiobooks. That's cool. What kind of books do you like? Mostly motivational ones. They give me a positive start for the day. Same here. I just finished a book called Atomic Habits. It's amazing. Oh, I have heard of it. Maybe I should read it next? Definitely. You will love it. Section 2, Vocabulary Practice. Now let's learn some useful words and phrases from today's conversation. This will help you sound more natural and confident when you speak. Do you like verb plus ing, meaning a common way to ask about someone's interest or hobbies. Example, do you like traveling? Do you like cooking? Use to, meaning something you did regularly in the past but not now. Example, I used to play cricket every morning, but now I'm too busy. She used to live in Canada before moving to India. Audiobook, a recorded version of a book that you can listen to instead of reading. Example, I listen to audiobooks when I travel. Audiobooks are great for improving listening skills. Motivational, meaning something that gives you energy, confidence or encouragement. Example, I love motivational quotes. They lift my mood. He watches motivational videos before his exams. Positive start, meaning beginning your day or task in a happy and encouraging way. Example, a morning walk gives me a positive start for the day. Listening to good music helps me start my day positively. Finished a book, to complete reading a book from start to end. Example, I just finished a book about time management. She finished a novel in just 2 days. You will love it. A friendly way to recommend something because you think the other person will enjoy it. Example, try this restaurant, you will love it. Watch that new movie, you will love it for sure. Section 3, Question and Answer Practice. Now it's time for your English practice. I'll ask you a few questions from the conversation. Try to answer them before I tell you the correct answer. Let's begin. What does Emma ask Leo? She asks what he is doing this weekend. What's another way to ask this question. You can say, what are your plans for the weekend? What is Leo planning to do? He is planning to relax and read a little. What does read a bit mean? It means to read for a short time or a little. What question does Emma ask Leo? She asks if he likes reading. What does reading help Leo do? It helps him relax and learn new things. What question does he ask Emma? He asks, what about you? To know her opinion. What did Emma used to do in the past? She used to read a lot. What does she do now instead of reading? She listens to audiobooks. What does Leo want to know? He wants to know what type of books Emma likes. What does kind of mean here? It means type of or category of. What kind of books does Emma like? She likes motivational books. What do they give her? They give her a positive start for the day. What book did Leo finish? He finished a book called Atomic Habits. What does he think about it? He thinks it is amazing. Has Emma read the book yet? No, she has only heard about it. What does she want to do next? She wants to read it next. What does Leo mean by you will love it? He means he is sure Emma will enjoy the book. Great job! If you answered even a few questions correctly, that means you truly understood the conversation. Keep practicing like this every day and soon you will start thinking in English naturally. Section 4, Shadowing Practice. Now it's time for shadowing practice, one of the best ways to improve your English speaking fluency. Here's how it works. You will hear one character speak and the other character's line will be silent. That's your turn to speak out loud and practice. Then we'll switch. You'll listen to the other person and speak the missing lines yourself. Try to match the tone, speed and emotion of the speaker. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on speaking naturally. Are you ready? Let's begin our shadowing practice. Hey Leo, what are you doing this weekend? Oh, nice. Do you like reading? I used to read a lot, but now I mostly listen to audiobooks. Mostly motivational ones. They give me a positive start for the day. Oh, I have heard of it. Maybe I should read it next? Not much, just planning to relax. Maybe read a bit. Yeah, I really do. It helps me relax and learn new things. What about you? That's cool. What kind of books do you like? Same here. I just finished a book called Atomic Habits. It's amazing. Definitely, you will love it. Well done! You just learned a real English conversation, new vocabulary, and even practice speaking through shadowing. That's exactly how you train your brain to think in English, one real conversation at a time. Before you go, here's a little question for you. Do you like reading? If yes, tell me what kind of books you enjoy in the comments. It will help you practice writing in English too. And here's a quick tip. Try shadowing this same conversation every day for 3 days. Your pronunciation and confidence will improve fast. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural English lessons every week. See you in the next video and keep speaking English with confidence.